Aloha! Welcome to Aloha English! Woo! My name is Shayna and I will be your English teacher today. We are in California heading to Yosemite. Going toward. We will see Mirror Lake, Lower Yosemite Fall, and just some beautiful walks. Oh, and something important we will learn about is staying hydrated. You'll get to meet a local American United States guy from near my hometown. Jared, hello.
Hello.
Where are we right now, Jared?
Mirror puddle.
It's a little dry. Mirror Lake. Ready for a water break. Water, important. It's very important for hiking. You don't want to get dehydrated. That means your body doesn't have enough water. I don't want to be dehydrated, so I need a water break. I am going to hydrate.
That's Half Dome, actually.
Are you keeping hydrated, sweetheart?
Yep, I'm keeping hydrated.
He's keeping hydrated. Good job. So, you don't feel dehydrated?
Nope, I feel very hydrated.
You feel very hydrated. Awesome. What's your name?
My name is Nicolas Jimenez.
Oh, and is this your first time to Yosemite?
This is my first time in Yosemite.
How do you like it?
I love it. It is beautiful. I love the mountains, the grass, the trees. It's very beautiful.
How long was the drive?
The drive was like 2-3 hours, I believe. Yeah.
Not bad, not bad. What is the name of that big blackbird?
Oh, a raven.
We don't have ravens in Sacramento, where we're from. So what is your favorite part of Yosemite so far?
Hiking. That's my favorite part. I love hiking. It's beautiful.
What's your hat? What team?
This is the Orioles.
Oh.
It's the team I play for.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Cool. Baseball?
Yes.
Awesome. Well, thank you. Have
You're
a
welcome.
great time in Yosemite.
I will.
It is hard to see, difficult to see, but there is Half Dome, where the sun is. There they go! Go, leaves, go! Go, boats, go! Wind! Whee!
In between two groups.
Wow, this is gorgeous. You can see the tree tops. That's what we call the top of the treetops. Oh my goodness. Here we are on the swinging bridge. Okay, my daughter and I are gonna try and make it swing. Okay, ready, jump. 1, 2, 1, 2. It's not swinging, but
I think I know how to make it swing.
how? Okay, it's gonna swing. Wow, we got it! Good morning. There's a deer in the grass. Leave a comment if you can find her. And then, just so you know, as part of the English lesson, a female deer, like a girl deer, is called a what? Doe! Like the song, Do Re Mi. We might see a waterfall if it is not dry. What does might mean? Might means maybe will. We maybe will see a waterfall at Yosemite Falls if it's not dry. If it's not dried out. There's a phrasal verb. Dried out. No more water. Wow, beautiful. This is behind housekeeping camp. Yosemite Falls. Dry, but there is water. There is one path to Lower Yosemite Fall. Aloha! Thank you for watching. We are back from a beautiful trip to Yosemite, California. See you next time. Aloha, goodbye.